we discuss today about the designation of the refrigerant. So as we know, there are four types of refrigerant. First one is halocarbon, second one is hydrocarbon, third one is the inorganic refrigerant, and fourth one is the azeotropic mixture. So today we'll discuss about designation of the refrigerant, how the refrigerants are designated universally, and this designation is given according to the ASHRAE, American Society for Heating and Air Conditioning Engineers, designation of refrigerant. So the general chemical formula for any refrigerant, particularly halocarbon and hydrocarbon, is given as CaHb, Cl(C) and Fd. This is the general chemical formulae for halocarbon and hydrocarbon refrigerant. Here A is number of carbon atoms, B represent number of hydrogen atoms, C represent number of chlorine atom, and D represent number of fluorine atom. And as we know, each atom should be balanced in a chemical formula. So this balance is given by B plus C plus D is equal to 2A plus 2. And this is carbon balance. This is a carbon balance for this given chemical formula. Now let's see how the designation is given for hydrocarbon and halocarbon. So universally refrigerants are designated, all the refrigerants are designated with letter capital R, and there are certain numbers in front of this R. R stands for refrigerant. Any type of refrigerant, it may be halocarbon, it may be hydrocarbon, it may be inorganic refrigerant, or it may be azeotropic mixture. Its designation starts with capital letter R, and there are certain numbers, and that numbers particularly for halocarbon and hydrocarbon is, first number is R A minus 1, where A is the number of carbon atom. Second number or second digit is B plus 1, where B is number of hydrogen atom, and lastly third digit is number of D, that is number of fluorine atom. This is the designation of refrigerant belonging to hydrocarbon and halocarbon family. Okay, let's take example. Suppose, let's take any example of hydrocarbon refrigerant. So the chemical formula is CH4, and again we know CH4 is nothing but methane. Its chemical name is methane, and the chemical formula is CH4. So if we compare this CH4 with a general equation CaHb, Cl(C) and Fd, if we compare this with this general equation, so we come to know A is equal to 1, number of hydrogen atom B, that is equal to 4, there is no chlorine, so C is 0, again there is no fluorine, so D is 0. Okay, and the equation is balanced. Okay. Now let's start with the designation according to this designation. So R A minus 1, so it will be 1 minus 1, B plus 1, B is number of hydrogen atom, so there are 4 hydrogen, so 4 plus 1, as there is no fluorine, so third digit will be 0. Okay, so the designation of methane will be R050. This is the designation of methane universally. Okay. Now take another example. Suppose a designation is known to us. Suppose R11, and we want to know the chemical formula for this refrigerant. Okay. So we'll write this in standard form. R. So whenever there is only 2 digits in front of the refrigerant, it indicates it is a methane based refrigerant, and the first digit is 0, which is generally not written. Okay, so first digit here R, so it will be 1 minus 1. Second digit B plus 1, so B will be 0, 0 plus 1, and as the third digit is 1, so it indicates the value of D is 1. Okay, so from this we come to know the number of carbon atom is 1, number of hydrogen atom is 0, number of fluorine is 1. Now we need to calculate number of chlorine atom according to this general equation. So for that we'll use the carbon balance equation, that is B plus C plus D is equal to twice A plus 2. So put the values here. So B, sorry, here it is B. So B is 0, C we don't know, D it is given as 1, then 2A means number of carbon atom is 1, so 2 into 1 plus 2, okay, so it will be
4.
C plus 1 is equal to 4, so it indicates C is equal to 3, that is number of chlorine atom. Now we can write the chemical formula for this given refrigerant. Okay, so it will have 1 carbon, there is no hydrogen. Next one is there are 3 chlorine atoms and fluorine. So the chemical formula for this R11 refrigerant is CCl3F, and the chemical name is trichlorofluoromethane is the chemical name for the given refrigerant. Okay, so once we know the chemical formula or chemical name, we can derive the designation of the refrigerant, or vice versa. If we know the designation, we can go with chemical name and chemical formula of the refrigerant. Okay, so this topic is very, very important in unit number 6, refrigerant. Similarly, for designation of the inorganic refrigerant, now let's come to designation of inorganic refrigerant. So previously whatever we discussed, it is applicable to halocarbon and hydrocarbon. Now designation of the inorganic refrigerant. Inorganic refrigerant means the refrigerant which does not contain carbon. Okay, so let's take example of any one refrigerant, inorganic refrigerant, and the most commonly used inorganic refrigerant is ammonia, NH3. Ammonia. which is most commonly used in industrial application. It is used as the systems. So ammonia is one of the important inorganic refrigerant. So how the designation is given to the ammonia? So while designating any refrigerant, it starts with capital letter R. Then any inorganic refrigerant, its first letter is 7. And the next 2 digits is nothing but a molecular weight of the given chemical. So molecular weight of ammonia is 17. So its designation is R717. Where this 7 letter is used for all type of inorganic refrigerant, and this last 2 digits is the molecular weight. Next commonly used inorganic refrigerant is water. So let's find the designation of water. Okay. So inorganic refrigerant, any refrigerant start with letter R. Inorganic refrigerant, first digit is 7 and next 2 digits are the molecular weight. So molecular weight of hydrogen is 18. So it will be R718. Thank you.